So it is October 28th and we are going strong on our pantry freezer challenge. We're going to keep doing it this week. And this is a half a turkey, a smaller turkey. I have them, my husband halved them like this and put them in the freezer, wrapped them up and put them in the freezer. So I still have a few of these in the freezer. I want to use them up. All I did was wash it, put salt and pepper and poultry seasoning. I'm going to put the lid on in the crock pot. He's going to use the meat throughout the week for lunches. People can eat on it. It's just a good way to get a half a turkey in the crock pot, and that way I don't have to turn on my oven and do like a whole turkey, which is just too much for us right now. Okay, so I pulled out a few more things out of the freezer. It's almost 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna be using my air fryer on most of them. So these are just Italian style meatballs. I'm going to make spaghettis. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this whole thing because there's quite a bit. We'll just see. Definitely using these up. So we'll have some spaghettis. We have these sausages I'm going to throw out and I'm going to cook in the air fryer and kind of just meal prep them in the fridge. The ones we did last week with the bacon and the sausage and the eggs and stuff we went through. So it was a hit. I'm not boiling more eggs today because I still have some from last week. But once we finish those up, then we'll boil more. Italian sauce, not Italian sausages, bratwurst. I'm going to just cook those in the air fryer. My son likes to eat them as a snack, just a protein snack. Turkey bacon and regular bacon, cooking it up, putting it in the fridge with the sausages, and I feel good because all this will be out of the freezer. Okay, so last thing I'm going to do before I sit down and have my coffee is I have a bread in here. I'm making a big bread. And so anyway, I'm going to turn that on, but this is the recipe that I use. It just came with my bread maker. Super easy, super simple, just using up some things from the pantry, and we'll have nice, fresh, warm bread. So I want to show you guys my turkey is pretty much done. It's fallen off the bone. It's 12:17 right now, and my bread is done. So I'm going to actually eat the wing just as is. It smells incredible. And it was so easy to just throw in here and not have to deal with putting it in the oven. All right, so for dinner for the spaghettis, we have a few things going. I have this onion that needs to be used up. I'm gonna cut up some of those onions that my husband grew. For the sauce, I have a half a jar of this sauce, so I'm gonna use this with the marinara sauce. We have 2 types of pasta opened up, which is fine, we're gonna use them up. These caramelized onions are from yesterday from the burgers. Those are going into the sauce. And I'm enjoying that drink right there as I'm cooking. So just using up little odds and ends of things. I cooked up the bacon, the Italian sausages, and then I'm doing the breakfast sausages in the air fryer as we speak. And then those can cool down and we can just have a meal prep in the fridge. So I'm going to call this pasta 3 pasta spaghetti because I ended up adding some of this elbow macaroni in it as well. So I'm going to replenish my container of pasta with the elbow macaroni, and then this pasta right here, just the egg noodles, just because I've had these since like 2020. And I mean, I know it's just dry pasta, but I'm just trying to use up what's older first. So these will be in here, then I know they need to be used up, and so on and so forth. I can't remember if I showed you guys the turkey. I just turned it off, but you can see half of it has already been picked at, which is great. This is what I wanted. People have just been eating on it. And then, you know, it's 4:04 in the afternoon. People can still eat on it if they want to. And then my husband will take some to work. Okay, so my spaghettis are almost done. But I want to show you guys, we got quite a bit of food out of our freezer and our pantry. Obviously, we didn't eat it all today. We have the Italian sausages and the bacon, breakfast sausages. I used that. This was the open pack of meatballs that I had open in the freezer from earlier. So I used those up. And then I used half of these are going back in the freezer because we didn't need that many. Cooked up all of this breakfast sausage, the bacons, and then we replenished our spaghetti box with spaghetti. So we're going to recycle what we can recycle, pack up in the fridge what we need to pack up, and finish our spaghetti because it's like my lid is telling me, okay, it's ready. So anyway, so this is all that's going back in the freezer thus far. The rest is all going to be eaten up. And I'll show you when the spaghetti. Okay, here's the spaghettis all plated up. I'm calling it 3 pasta spaghetti. Again, 3 different types of pasta. Just needed to be used up, and that's fine. My kids are not picky about that. I used some of this grated Parmesan cheese that we get when we get pizza at Costco. I have a bunch of those packets, so I'm very intentional about using those up. And yeah, I'm super excited. I feel like we did really good today with just getting things prepped and ready to go and out of our freezer. So super happy with this. If you guys want to do the freezer pantry challenge till the holidays, let me know in the description below and do a video, upload it. I absolutely adore those kind of videos. I watch them like crazy. I will binge watch them. So love it. Anyway, let me know if you're joining me on this, because the struggle is real, you guys. If you buy markdowns and if you shop the sales, you know what I'm saying. You guys, it's Tuesday and we have a very, very simple dinner tonight. I'm making a couple boxes of macaroni and cheese. I'm going to saute these little onions with these green beans. We have some chicken nuggets I'm going to throw in the air fryer. And that's going to be dinner for tonight. I'm also going to add garlic, salt, and pepper to the green beans. So let's get this meal together and then I'll show you what it is. Dinner for Tuesday. We are keeping it so simple. The sauteed green beans with garlic and onion, salt and pepper, macaroni and cheese, and then these chicken nuggets. These things are out of my pantry, yay, and then some of the chicken nuggets. I'm super happy because I wanted something quick. I'm probably going to make a soup tomorrow just because today was sunny, cold but sunny, and then tomorrow the rain's coming again and I kind of want a soup. But I am really being intentional about using all this stuff up. I mean, things have to go so we can replenish it. There's some great deals coming up with the holidays. We want to have freezer space. I'm probably gonna do some shopping this week just because we need like lettuce for our bunny and a few other things, but no mac and cheese. Nothing like that. We have plenty of that. But anyway, we'll see. So for the schnitzel, I was gonna make mashed potatoes from scratch, but guess what? These were in my freezer. I'm thawing them out, gonna warm them up with some butter, and we're using these up. Hi, Emma. Hi. So for dinner, Emma is learning how to make schnitzel. And she also has corn on the back and then cream corn on the back heated up. We have the mashed potatoes in the microwave. How's it going, Emma?
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Finishing up.
So I'm just trying to get her in the kitchen so when she has a little bit of time off from work and school, she can learn our traditional Romanian recipes, just to hand them down. She has a beautiful recipe book. But anyway, there's not much to it to make schnitzel, but still you need to know a few little tips and tricks. So there you go. We have a couple done. They're beautiful. We strained the oil and put more oil, and you kind of have to do that or else it'll just burn and taste gross. All right, so you guys saw Emma's video. She actually had that for lunch and we all had lunch, and this is what's left over. These are a couple layers deep. We made a lot. So all those tenderloins we used up. The ones that were not seasoned, those came two to a pack. So there was 4, 5, 6 tenderloins. They were smaller, but there was 6 of them. So thank God for Emma. She helped me. It was a team effort. I had to cook them in 2 batches just because it takes forever and I was getting tired. Anyway, I finished that. And then I want to show you guys, this is the stuff that we got out of the pantry. We finished one of these and started another one. 2 cans of corn. And then I finished those disinfectant wipes because I love to wipe all my counters and everything, especially when I work with meat, with disinfectant wipes and just let it dry on its own like that. So those will go in the recycle, and we're gonna have this for dinner. It's gonna be the same meal for dinner, which is fine, and then we'll have leftovers. And my husband loves to make sandwiches for lunch with this. It's really good. Mayo, mustard, tomato, a little bit of onion, and bread and schnitzel, and so good. Anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow if there's nothing else going on today. It is 2:10 right now, and after dinner we'll still have leftovers, and then I'll show you guys tomorrow what we're doing. We might make a soup. I've been wanting to make a soup. We'll see if we get to it. So I want to show you guys this. I saw this on Kendra from Kendra Full of Joy. She buys the Topa Chica waters all the time, mineral waters. I'm gonna sit down. I'm so tired. I just loaded the dishwasher. Everything is clean. This is cooling, and I'm gonna enjoy myself. Actually, I can't drink the whole thing at once because it's like very bubbly, but I'll have a little bit of this and watch some Hulu and relax. It's pouring down rain It's still 2. It's been only a few minutes since I showed you what time it was, but this is my downtime, whoops, in the afternoon. And
so we finished the schnitzel, and then we also had in our freezer the mashed potatoes. The ones that just come in the packs. You can literally see the steam coming off. We literally just finished the meat. We did one of the salad packs, the ones that you can get from Freddy's. I think we got it on sale. Maybe not, I don't know. And then we did 2 cans of corn. I did one, which was cream and corn, and then I just did a regular kettle corn one. So yeah, this is what we're having for dinner. And today is Wednesday. I think it's the 30th. But yeah, we're almost in November, so that's exciting. But yeah, this is what we're having for dinner.
All right, you guys, so it is Thursday and David made meatball subs in the oven. I took out this chicken stock broth. I'm gonna make just a quick, I'm gonna heat it up, boil some carrots, throw it in there, put those Romanian noodles, and call it good. The kids made quesadillas earlier, so lots of food going down. Just people aren't like making a video about it. I keep telling them, but they're not. So that's what's going on so far today. If I make anything else, it's lunchtime. If I make anything else besides the soup for dinner, I'll let you know. All right, so Thursday night, we did a little house reset. Everyone cleaned. I made that soup with that broth from my freezer, noodles from my mom. I boiled 3 carrots, and I used some canned chicken. So we got the canned chicken out of the freezer. The canned chicken out of the pantry, the noodles from the pantry, carrots from the fridge, and the broth from the freezer. So we're still cleaning out things and going strong.
Hey y'all, welcome back. So this is what we're eating for dinner tonight. We have these like toasted bread, and inside is chicken with some arugula with some balsamic vinegar. And on the side we have this pickle salad, which we've never eaten, but yeah.
Okay, you guys, it is Friday. Yay. Anyway, this morning, it's really early. It's like 7:30 in the morning. I meal prepped some boiled eggs because we ran out. And I like to have 1 boiled egg before my coffee every morning. That way, the coffee it hurts my stomach if I drink it on an empty stomach. It's very acidic to me. But if I have a boiled egg, I found out that helps. And I can enjoy the cup of coffee with no issues. Okay, guys, it is Friday, and David made stuffed bell peppers. And basically, he pre-cooked the bell peppers, and he said people can just stuff them, and then you put them in the air fryer with different cheeses. I'm just gonna have mine like this. It smells delicious, and that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. We just finished this salsa. I put some on here. We have another one in the fridge, but yeah, we had 2 opened. The other one I think is not this brand, but I'm so glad to get this out of the fridge. All right, so it's Friday night. This is the leftover like filling and rice and stuff from the peppers. And then over here we have a bunch of ground beef, 80-20 thawing out. My husband's gonna make burger patties so we can have it ready to go in the freezer tomorrow. You guys, I am in the Costco parking lot. I wanna show you, I know I'm doing a freezer pantry challenge. Someone told me that they had the 14 brats for $3.97. So I got 22 boxes for $87.34 and some cooking oil. But yeah, my total was $130.71. See if your store is running a special. If they are, go grab them. I have the freezer space now. I'm gonna freeze these and I'm excited. Okay, you guys, so I wanna show you guys, David took the filling from the stuffed peppers and the extra rice and stuff, and he added, did you add cheese? Yeah, he added cheese and made a quesadilla. And that's what we're eating. People are just eating all kinds of stuff, leftovers and stuff for lunch on Saturday. All right, you guys, it is Saturday, and David and Lucas made shrimp tacos. This is what we are having for dinner tonight, and it smells and looks absolutely delicious. These are those shrimps that we got, or one of the packs that we got from Kroger on clearance. They have already put them to good use. Yes. We will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow we're making, babe, tell them, what are we making?
Burger on the barbecue.
Yes, burgers on the barbecue. My husband made the patties today, and they are just seasoned, and we are going to eat those tomorrow. Okay, you guys, it is Sunday after church, and we have homemade burgers with the caramelized onions, a bag of fries, cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, and we are going to enjoy this. I hope you guys enjoyed this week of What's for Dinner. If you did, we will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.